questions?
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
In a Muslim family, if some members commit shirk and they knowingly do it and they do not abstain from it, then how do you talk to them?
Sister has the question that if there are certain family members who are doing shirk and knowingly they do shirk, so how can we do dawah? How can we ask them to abstain from it? Sister, you have to do hikmah. You have to use the hikmah and whatever skills you have of conveying the message. Try and convince them what they're doing is shirk, is haram. If you can convince them, alhamdulillah. If they don't listen, you have to try a level base. You can't force them. So as Allah told His Messenger Muhammad in Surah Ghashiya, chapter number 88, verse number 21-22, فَذَكِّرْ إِنَّمَا أَنْتَ مُذَكِّرٌ. Your job is to deliver the message. So sister, you as being a family member, you have to try and convince whether it be your parents, your brothers or sisters, or your children, or your relatives. Try your level best with whatever proof you have got of Quran and Sunnah. Try and convince them that shirk is haram with whichever best ability you have got, sister. Try your level best. Only thing you can convey the message. If yet they continue, you will not be a responsible sister. Hope that answers the question.